Alright guys, today's project, gonna be checking the brake pads for the Mercedes. Got a lot of stuff here. Yeah, we got this one. So front and back, we're gonna change both. Ceramics. Alright guys, we got the wheels off. Now it's time to remove the pads right there. And right there, all we gotta do is pop out these pins right here and right here. Once we pop them off, the pads are being held by those two pins, so you gotta remove that. All right, do it. Okay, one of the rear is done. Move it onto the front. Nice to have an assistant right here. Same thing we're gonna do. Show them, Jared. Show them where the pin is. So the pin.
You gotta take off the brake sensor pin up here.
Yeah, nice and easy.
Yeah, and then you're gonna remove these pins so we can take out
the shim. This is the shim.
Yeah.
And then the pads, right?
Yep.
All right, do it. Pull it to nice and gentle. There you go. There you go. And then move it away.
All right. Here.
Yep. Just nice and gentle. You feel it moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
All right. All right, now on the top one. Don't go all the way. There you go. All right.
Now it's all the way, right?
Yeah. The bottom one all the way up too.
Yeah.
And then you just use your plier to pull it from the other side, nice and gentle. There you go, nice and gentle. And put it in your cardboard right here. And then remove that shim. No, the shim first. There you go. See how it wraps around?
Yeah.
Yeah, just take it off. There you go. There you go. And then put all your shims there. And make sure you gotta clean that, right? You just, yeah, there you go. So bang it from here, inside. Just nice and gentle, push it up. Beauty. And then the top. Hang it. There you go. Awesome. All right, so now he's pressing all the pistons back in, right?
Yep.
Resetting it to 0. Make sure you got your lights on, because we're going to show in the video. Put your lights in there, and then show it.
One side.
All the pistons. So you got 4, 2 on each side, right?
2. Other 2.
All right. All right. So now, what do you got to do with this?
Gotta rub them together.
Yeah, and then blow it, blow the dust out of it. Yeah, there you go, to even it out. Do it about 10 times each. There you go. Yeah, make sure they're all like matching surface, right?
Yeah, like sanding it.
Yeah, exactly, like sanding it. And then all you got to do is put those pads back in, put the pin, and put the wheel, and we're done. Alright guys, so after we replace all the pads, now all we gotta do is check the brakes, right?
Yep.
So the first thing we did before we checked the brake was open up the engine bay compartment and check on the fluids. And the fluids was all fine. So now he's gotta pump the brakes. Go ahead. 1, all the way down. 1, see, gotta pump it. And then hold it. 2, see, hey, it's getting hard.
Yep.
3, 4, and 5. All right, so we're gonna drive now, nice and slow. Hang on and drive off. As soon as we get there, pump it so you know it brakes all the way down.
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta press it all the way down.
Oh, you want me to brake hard?
Yeah, that's how you adjust it. Right side, all the way to the so it's braking good, right?
Yep. Nice and good.
Yeah. All right, go all the way around to the mailbox. Sure it's working. And that's how you test it. Hit it, brake. Nice and heavy. Good?
Good.
All right, go to the mailbox. thank you for watching, guys. This is gonna end our video. So the brake is working, right, Jared?
Yep.
And thanks to our bro Jared, did all the brake pads. Good to go. 2 more years.